These are pieces of Lego, and these are hard candies. Together, they make Lego hard candies. Sick. As you can tell by the title and thumbnail, today I'm going to be attempting to make Lego out of hard candy. Okay, so basically if you combine sugar and water and like some other stuff, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have it. Anyway, if you combine sugar and water together and put it on medium-high heat on a stove, it will turn into this golden syrup, which then you can turn into hard candy. So I thought it would be a great idea if I made Lego out of candy. So, okay, so my plan is to add sugar, water, and then put it on the stove and hope for the best. Okay, that was way too much water. Okay, so it's way too wet. Okay. Is it meant to be doing anything? Dissolving. Oh. Okay, so it's time to do something. Okay, so it's bubbling a lot now. I don't think that worked. That actually looks so good. Okay guys, so they turned out pretty good as you can see. Just don't mind that. Okay, so if you don't actually add colour in the candy, it will actually go a yellowy golden colour. So I thought I would just not add any food colouring for my yellow one and hope that it looks cool. So it went like this. I'm just trying to revive it. It's slowly getting better, but like not really. Okay, so we tried again and we used a different method. It was going really, really good until we didn't leave it on the stove long enough, and when we went to take it out of the mold, it was just mush. Okay, so we've made 2 batches and they haven't worked. So this time I'm not going to add food colouring. So that way I can see when it goes golden and it's ready. In conclusion, Legos are very hard to make out of candy, and if you want to make them out of candy, I would recommend having a recipe and a method to follow. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like these, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications. That is me for now, but I'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.